So kids, till now we were solving the easy questions based on money, right? So now we are going to solve some challenging questions. Let's see how fast we can solve them. So are you ready to solve along with me? So here is your first question, okay? Sahil receives rupees 500 from his father. And rupees 200 from his uncle. Okay? So he is receiving his amount in two shares. One his father is giving and the other one his uncle is giving. Fine? So he shared the amount equally with his brother. Okay, so which means whatever is the total amount which Sahil is receiving, he is sharing it equally with his brother. Fine. Now, how much amount did Sahil give his brother? So understood the question, children? So first we need to find the total amount which Sahil is receiving, and then we need to find out what is the share which his brother gets. Okay? The options given here are rupee 100, option B, rupee 150, option C, rupee 350, and option D, rupee 250. Okay? So understood the question? It's a little tricky question but easy one, right? So here we will be performing two operations. The first one is we have to find the total, which means we will do the addition part. So what is the amount which he receives from his father? 500. Okay? So he receives 500 from his father and then he receives 200 from his uncle, right? So we will be adding 500 plus 200, which will give me 700 as the total. Okay? Now, the second part of the question says he shared the amount equally with his brother. So which means we have to divide here. So this 700 should be divided equally among his brother and Sahil. So what we will do here? So 700 divided by 2. Okay? So 2 into 3 is 6. So balance 1 will carry forward 0. So 2 5s are 10. And then this 0 is also carried forward. So which means if you divide 700 equally, each will be getting a share of 350 rupees. So what amount does Sahil give his brother? It will be, answer will be 350 rupees. Clear? So shall we move to the next one? Here is your next question. The next question says, how many rupee 5 coins will make a sum of rupee 100? And the options given here are 5, option B 10, option C 20, and option D 50. Okay? So do you understand the question now? how many 5 rupee coin will make a sum of rupee 100. So have you seen 5 rupee coin, children? It will be round, no? The 5 rupee coin. So I have to make a sum of 100 rupees and I need to see how many 5 rupee coins will make the sum of rupee 100. So what am I going to do here, children? Very good. We need to divide. Okay. So 100 divided by 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. Then the 0 will be carried forward here. So which means if I have 25 rupee coin, that will make the sum of rupees 100. Okay. So option C, 20 is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move ahead? So here is your next question. The next question states, Raju bought 5 34 paise stamps. Okay. How much did they cost him? Okay. And the option given here are 1 rupee and 20 paise. Option B, 1 rupee and 50 paise. Option C, 1 rupee and 70 paise. And option D, 1 rupee and 90 paise. Okay. So, did you understand the question? Raju has bought 5 34 paise stamp. Okay. So, we need to total first how much does it cost. Okay. So, if you multiply 34 into 5, how much will it come? 4 5s are 20, 2, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 70. So, which means I will be having 170 paise. Okay. We all know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Right. So, how much is 170 paise, children? Yes. So, which means 170 paise will be equal to 170 divided by 100, which will equal to 1.70. So, where is 1.70? Option C. So, 1 rupee 70 paise is the value of 34 paise 5 stamps. Clear? Did you understand this? So, here again we did 2 operations. The first one was the multiplication to find out the total, and the second one was the division to convert it into rupee and paise. Clear? Shall we move ahead to the next question?